Hey guys, welcome back to Circleville YouTube channel. For this video, we are back at Lowe's to do some deal and clearance shopping. I recently posted a couple of amazing deals between the YouTube channel and the Instagram account that were your mileage may vary, in-store only, and we are going to see if we can find them. So let's go inside. First deal I have to share with you is this Bio Advanced Bug Killer, normally $24 down to $5.99. Looks like that. It may be September, but it's Christmas time. Now you probably already know that they have their ideal electrical tools and stuff all on clearance. We've talked about it before, so we're not going to go through that again. I glanced through it and didn't see anything that was obviously different from the last time I was here. Got the work lights, only $2 off. $17 isn't bad, but nothing special either. Not a bad price on this. Ideal nut driver, 7-in-1. So it's currently $14.98, was originally $31.80. Funny, these have two different tags but the same number. So this is $24.98 and the item ends in $9.86. This one ends in $9.86 and it's $14.98. So make sure it rings up correctly. Got the 9.5-inch linesman pliers. If you need them, it's a good deal. I wouldn't run out to get them if you didn't already need them. Got the strippers here. My third favorite kind of stripper. Let's see. It was normally $25 down to $8.98. And then we have the little multi-crimp tool here. Love the reflection. Normally $25 down to $9.98. Am I the only one that thinks this is just insane? Look at the original price $422, but even the discounted price is insane. $279 for the Power Stack 5 amp hour battery starter kit. It's absolutely crazy. Let's breeze through these special value Klein tool deals. So we got $49.98 on the electrical test kit. $24.98 for a 2-pack of safety glasses. I don't know about all that. $39.98. Similar to the first. Looks like the only difference is you're getting the multimeter here, but that's, you know, that's value. So it's only $10 more for the multimeter. I'd probably go with that version if we're interested. $39.98 for the insulated screwdriver set. Made in the USA. We can pay up a little bit for that, right? And $79.98 for this test kit. Here you get the clamp meter. And last but not least, $29.98 on the 5-piece screwdriver set. Got a couple Manaboo deals for you here. Now this was listed as the Lowe's deal of the day either today or yesterday. Anyway, normally $99 down to $59. So that was available online, and then Amazon was price matching it. So that's the same thing there. And then over here was $209 down to $159, the framing nailer. And then this one down here says was $179 down to $62.65, and it's the 18-volt cordless impact driver, which must be this. Nope, that's still a drill. Is it a 2-tool kit? 18-volt impact driver. Oh, and it says drill. Maybe it's this 2-tool kit. Whoa, 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 whoa! I'm not stealing it. You got that cobalt set that has tons of filler, but it's down to $34.87, so I guess you could live with the filler at that price maybe. $127.20 for the Cobalt 24 volt drill kit. Be this guy right here. We don't care about that. You got the Metaboo 18 volt circular saw bare tool. Nothing is really jumping out at me here. At least you guys can hopefully see some of these numbers if you see something you like. "5 amp-hour battery and charger kit." Well, that would have been nice to get. Let's see. So this Craftsman variable speed random orbit polisher, I mean the spread between the was and the current price seems like a good deal, but that was price just seems insane. Got the mother of all deals here. You'll never beat this. Was $38.98, now $38.98. Little miter saw deal, the 10-inch single bevel compound miter saw Metaboo. Not a bad deal on the Craftsman carpet knife. Down to just $2.97. And then we got this guy. Double-sided box knife. And just 98 cents. Well, it's not at this store, but maybe you can find it on your own. Pretty good on this mechanic set. 257 piece was 99, now 64.27. And you got 3 ratchets, couple extensions, 36 sockets, 15, 36. I don't know how they're splitting that up as shallows, deep wells, or 3/8 or half-inch or whatever the breakdown is, but a couple of wrenches, a lot of bits, I know. But for 65, that's pretty good. Then of course, I don't know how much we have to touch base on this, but you get to buy a tool, get something free deal. So Craftsman, you get the 4 amp-hour starter kit and you get one of those tools for free. And then for DeWalt, you get that, you buy the starter kit, $279, and you get the free tool there. So we got good news and we got bad news. The bad news is I spent a majority of this trip getting stalked hard. Like, would not be left alone so I could actually look at things and try and make this here a video. But the good news is said stalker told me where they moved the clearance. Used to be on an end cap back here, and that end cap is gone. He said now it's in this back corner and there's a bunch of it. So let's see if he's right. Okay, he wasn't lying. Big old clearance section back here, and we're like right under a speaker, so if you lose audio, you know why, but I'll still try and give you what I can here. There's a lot. Boy, how do you even like document this in any way or show it to you guys? I don't know. So let's see, what do we find interesting here? Everyone loves a good flapper, and that one's half off, so you gotta like that. We got this. Oh, we got the little turnbuckle. $737 for that guy. See, some safety glasses. Still $14. We don't need to look at that. This little crescent apex socket insulator. It's down to just $3. Was $15. Okay, let's just breeze by all these. Okay, hopefully that worked for you. It worked for me. We got a rechargeable. Nah, I don't like that. See, you have the Cobalt 3-piece quick release knives. Oh, 3-pack for $5. Boy, that seems like something you should buy. Okay, so I'm gonna get that. Yeah. Chromecast streaming guy. $10.49. Boy, this music, man. I dread hearing music in these places. So we have this Tough Built torpedo level, 9-inch. And that is down to $17.97, normally $30. Got an ox here. 20 ounce. Got the little 3M patch kit here. You might be into this little hitch assist, you know, where you put your balls together. Now we got a bunch of hard hats over here from 277, 407, 427, 5, 4, 3, 4. So if you need some head protection. Alright guys, that was it for this Lowe's shopping trip. I was hoping to find that flex steel that was like the 6 tool for $169, or those Cobalt ratchets that were only $16 for a 3-pack. Didn't find those, but that's alright. Still a decent trip. Glad we found that clearance section in the back corner. Stay tuned, we'll be going to Home Depot here shortly. Even head back to Harbor Freight, see if anything's changed over the last couple of years. It's been a while since we've done some Harbor Freight shopping. But there it is, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe for any subscriber, and I'll see you guys next time.